Mahal kong Judicon. 9 na taon na ang nakalipas. Magkaibang mundo tayo. Magkasalubong lang sa gate ng boarding house namin. Walang kibo, walang ngiti. Hanggang isang araw, isang mensahe mula sa daming account ang nagdala sa atin sa ating unang tunay na pag-uusap.
Pumulat ng mga mata, kay ginhawang malamang sa'kin ka.
Joshua, my love, my best friend, first of all, happy anniversary. It's been 7 wonderful years since I said yes to you. I have prayed for it for a long time, and I know God listened and answered my prayer.
The Bible says it's not good that man should be what? Alone. And therefore, to solve that problem, God gave him a partner.
Kapin kita at sasabihin.
Husbands, love your wives even as Christ also loved the church, listen, and gave himself for it. To what extent mo ilove si Judy? To the point that you are willing to risk your life, give your life for her. Inana ang value sa life ng wife mo, Josh. Katumbas ng buhay mo.
Siguraduhin sa piling ko'y tiyak ang ligaya. Ikaw lang ang ibigin natin.
Naalala ko pa, tinanong kita, Judicon, kailan ka ning dyan ko? At simple mo lang sinagot na hindi. Simula noon, araw-araw na kitang kinakausap. Nagchat-chat ng, good morning, beautiful. Kumusta ka? Pag-amping nga kay pakasdan papatika.
Ang love niyo mo sa beginning should still be the same love that is today and until you die. It is always to the point of risking your life for her, and then the result. The result, kung i-love sa husband niyang wife, the Bible says in 26 and 27, I will not read anymore, but there is the word there, glorious. The word glorious means beautiful. What is the result? If the wife feels that she is loved by her husband, she becomes more beautiful than ever before.
Nang makapasa sa board exam, labis kong pinasalamatan ang Diyos sa paggamit sa iyo bilang kanyang instrumento para akayin ako palapit sa Kanya.
Thank you also, love, for your patience, for waiting so long for me, for respecting me and my principles and values in life.
Sa piling ko'y tiyak ang ligaya. Ikaw lang ang ibigin natin magagawa. Isip na ibalik ang dalisay kong sadya.
Now, this union, listen to this, is lifetime. Only death can dissolve marriage. And the Bible is very clear na even if you divorce your partner, but if your partner is still alive and you marry someone else, the Bible says you still commit adultery.
Matapos ang halos 7 taon nating pagsasama, masasabi kong ikaw ang pinakamaganda, mapagmahal, masipag, tapat, madasalin, makadiyos, makapamilya, at pusong dalisay na babae na kilala ko. Hindi ako mapapagod na mahalin ka at liligawan pa rin kita araw-araw habang tayo'y nabubuhay. Ikaw ang pinakamalaking biyaya sa buhay ko, ang tugon sa aking panalangin, ang aking magpakailanman.
I promise to pray for you, with you, and over you. And I can't wait to see what the future holds for us. And I pray that Jesus will always remain at the center of our marriage. I love you so much. Love your wife.
Sa'yo ko lang muli nasubukan lumipad.
Kaya ngayon, inaalay ko sa iyo ang lahat sa akin. Ang aking puso, kaluluwa, tawa, luha, panalangin, at pamamahal hanggang sa aking huling hininga.
Sa pagtanda